Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you that how to install Oracle Developer Suite 10G on Windows 8. So it is when you are installing this older version of Oracle 10G on Windows 8, there should be some. I will not say maybe there should be some compatibility issue. So to just resolve the compatibility issue, just go to the property of the setup and go to the compatibility. See, I have make this check. Actually it remains unchecked by default. Just make it check and just go to the list and just simply select Oracle Windows XP Service Pack 2 and just click on apply. If you don't do this, what will happen? Just let us see what will happen. This is older version, and when you just click on the setup or run the setup, see, checking operating system version must be 5.0, 5.1, 5.2, actual 6.2 failed. This is a 6.2 version and it failed, and it requires less than 6.2, less than 6 you can say. So we'll just go to the properties, go to the compatibility, and will not think anything, just select this Service Pack 2 and okay. Now run the setup. Okay, so now it is successful. It is preparing to launch Oracle Universal installer from just look up at the path. Is that it is just extracting all the necessary files, installation prerequisite file, to the local temporary folder of your user. Now this is the welcome screen. We'll just simply click on the next. See, default path is given I, because I have already installed this before, and it's just kept the history. Now it is giving Oracle Developer Suite Home 2. Though I have uninstalled it, but it is still have not restarted the computer after that, because my previous installation failed for some reason. So we'll just install it in Developer Home Suite Home 2 and just click on the next. Complete. Just select the complete. Install Oracle JDeveloper, 10G, XML Developer, Oracle Developer Suite, OC4J instance, Forms Developer, and all of that. We need Forms Developer, Repos Developer, so we'll select the complete. J2 development, just install the Java interface for the Java development, which connecting to Oracle. So complete. This is just a firewall issue. Firewall issue regarding networking. Network communication. It's asking for user intervention, user interface, user allowing the network. If you cancel this one, it will not stop installation and give some error. So keep it public networks, because if you want to build a client server and not a standalone, then you should make it public networks. SMTP servers, just give any name, I'll just give my email address. This is actually not required, you can also keep it blank. Now this is the final stage before installation. It gives all the uh, installation components which are going to install on your computer. Just click on install. Installation in progress. All the file will be extracted. After this setup will be configured and the rest configuration will be done. It will take some time, so we will come back after this installation, this configuration, till configuration is complete. Okay, now let's look at this dialog box, text location. What happens when you download this software from this Oracle site? Just a moment. Oracle, see, when you will download this, you will see what happens. Just a moment. After you run, see, there is two zip file. One is this one and one is text2. When you download this, just look at this one. We actually have two zip files, disk1 and disk2, and right now I've started the installation from disk1, and when this is completed, this message comes which asks for the disk2. Now what happens in disk2? In disk1 you have this stage folder which contains all the configuration or the necessary installation files, and disk2 contains only the installation files. Setup files are only on disk1, so you have to just simply browse and select this disk2 and select the stage folder. Click on OK, and the rest of the installation will be completed after the selection of the disk2. I can give you one tips, that is to avoid this prompt for asking for the disk2. You can just copy the stage folder of the disk2 to write into the disk1. I can assure you one thing, that no file will be prompted for overwrite. Disk2, for the stage folder in the disk2 have all unique files and unique and different files from the stage folder of disk1. So if you copy that stage folder to the disk1 of the disk2 folder, then the smooth installation will go on and no prompt will come to select the disk2 stage folder of the disk2. Okay, copy of the files are successful. Now it is setting up for all the components, just setting up in this folder, and after setting up it will configure all the different settings like Net8 assistant and SQL plus Net8 client and everything. So now you can see it is almost completed. Okay, now it is time for net configuration. Net configuration is done and installation is complete. After this, what we will do, Just click on exit. You can also check for the installed products. Okay, the default, see this one, I'm sorry, developer suite home 2. And now default home is actually form 6 and report 65, which is already installed in this computer, installed in this machine. So our current installation is developer suite home 2. Close it and press on exit. Now we will go to the how to configure the NetAid client. Just click on programs. Don't click onto this. The start menu is pre-configured. This is Windows 8 and Windows 8 Windows 8, not point 1. The primitive Windows 8, which does not have a start menu. This is a Windows 7 style start menu, which is installed by installing a patch. Where is the developer home? Okay, so this is developer homes suite home 2, configuration and migration tools, and net configuration assistant. So we will just set up the NetAid configuration, and let's see whether it's becomes successful connecting to the Oracle database. Here is the Oracle database. It is on Linux, Red Hat Linux 6.0. You can check, just see this one. Here is the Linux. I just connected with SSH client. Go to the local net service name configuration. Next, add service name. Let us name it Aura DB. TCP. I'll put the IP address. You can put the IP address, or you can put actually I'm putting the IP address because my Linux host name is a very conflicting name. It is local host, which conflict with my WAMP server and all the servers installed here. So I'll just put the IP address 192.168.171.166. Use the standard port number. I don't want to mess up with this, just keeping it by default 1521. Yes, I will going to test it. Okay, so I'm giving a username of a database I have already installed here. You can give username okay. Okay, please pardon me, I've just make a quick mistake. I have written in the service name Aura DB, so it will be ORCL. This is a mistake due to which the test failed. ORCL is the SID of the Oracle database, which is installed in the Red Hat Linux 6.0. So rest of the one is same as it is. Yes, perform test. Yes, it's successful. I've begun. So what we have done in the service name SID, we have given the name ORADB, which actually not the name. ORCL is the actual SID in the Oracle database. So let's check for the SID name. Okay, uh, so, we will connect as a root. Select star from v dollar instance. Okay, so see, this is ORCL. Okay, so what is the database status, instance role? Just keep the set line size 2000. Selects star from v dollar instance. Okay, it's still messy. So SHU so let's just make it short. Select instance name from v dollar instance ORCL. So you can see it is ORCL. So we have created the service name. You can keep the service name of this nated client as ORCL, or you can we'll just put Aura. Configure another, no, next, and finish. So let's just test whether we have successfully connected this. Application development. Okay, I'm sorry, forms developer, form builder. We will create a little form connecting to this database. Greenply, username Greenply, password Greenply, and let's see whether we are successful installing this forms application developers to 10G. So my database, this Greenply database contains table name, designation master. We will just check with that one. So browse for the table. Okay, it will just connect this one. I'll set the password. Okay, the password is wrong. Okay, designation master, the first table, designation code, designation name, next, finish. Database block wizard is complete. Now the layout wizard. Just want to check whether it is running correctly or not. Now see, the form is design is complete. Now I'm going to run in this form. If you have previous experience of form 6i, you know the controller is the default shortcut key to run the form. You can also run the form from program, run from. Now see what happens when I run the form. HTTP listener is not running. HTTP listener not running. So we will again go here, developer suite, home to application development, installation, product. Oh, let's find out where is this HTTP server is. Just give me some time. Yeah, start OCJ4J instance, OC4J instance, and shut down this. So I will click on start. I can also make a shortcut here, send to desktop, and similar with the shutdown, send to desktop. Now say start. Allow. This is one time job, the first time running. The firewall is restricting, and just make it public.